Let's watch Pongal celebration at Bishan CC and witness record-breaking Rangoli.
Subscribe, like and share.
Which channel?
Happiness with Hema.
This is interesting game. Saap Sidi, Holi in Tamil, marbles in English, and Kanche in Hindi.
Beautiful team of people making Rangoli for the Pongal, Bishan CC.
Our Pongal, like totally we celebrate at home and in CC with our own harvest. Happy Pongal.
Happy Pongal.
Your turn. So he's a minister. He's trying this game. Wow! Look at the spirit. If I say.
We are young time, nothing to play, lady.
So that's Vijay Mohan ji, Guinness Book record holder.
I think we kill two birds in one stone.
Oh yes, yes.
All the migrant workers. They are
Oh,
going to come and take.
lovely, lovely.
Book of records which is always in my mind, and also something that is always very different that nobody has done it.
Nobody has done ever in the world.
So this is
Rangoli
going to be
with
first
sugarcane.
time.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm so lucky to covering this.
Welcome to Happiness with Hema. If you're somebody new to my channel, support me with your subscribe, like and share. आज का व्लॉग बहुत ही स्पेशल है. चलिए देखिए पोंगल सेलिब्रेशन इन सिंगापुर. We will see beautiful Rangoli art by Vijaya Mohan ji and we will witness her record-breaking Rangoli art. So stay with me till the end because मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ सिंगापुर में किस तरह से पोंगल सेलिब्रेशन होता है. And yes, I'm excited that here I'm going to meet incredible Vijaya Mohan ji, a proud member of my Insta Buddy group and a true master of record-breaking Rangoli art. With countless achievements to her name, she is here at a Pongal event creating yet another masterpiece. Vijaya ji is already a champion of creating many masterpiece rangolis and today one is that's set to make history.
वो वहीं जाके देखेंगे किस चीज़ की रंगोली बन रही है पोंगल सेलिब्रेशन के लिए एंड मुझे स्पेशल इनवाइट मिला है एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी. स्टे ट्यून्ड विद मी. अंत तक देखते रहिए. और भी मैंने रथ यात्रा जो आपको एक्सप्लेन करके दिखाई थी, मुझे काफ़ी डीएम्स आए कि आप और भी इस तरह की चीज़ें दिखाइए सिंगापुर में. सो दिस ऑल सीरीज इज ऑन डिमांड, ऑन स्पेशल डिमांड ऑफ ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स, ऑल द इंडियंस, ऑल एक्सपैक्ट्स स्टेइंग ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड कि भाई डिफरेंट दुनिया के हर भाग में हम अपने इंडियन कल्चर को ज़रूर दिखाते हैं. और किस तरह से दिखाते हैं वो पोंगल सेलिब्रेशन आप इस ब्लॉग में देखेंगे.
So today is first day and I'm heading to Bishan CC to cover record-breaking Rangoli in making.
आइए, मैं पहुंच गई हूँ सिमी स्टेशन.
So Simi station is a green line. So यहाँ से I'll go to Paya Lebar. Paya Lebar से I'll change to Circle Line. That's a yellow line and then just few station away and then I'll reach to Bishan. Bishan MRT से it's very close by. Just few minute walk. Be there. See you there. So जैसे कि मैंने आपको हमेशा से बताया, public transport is something which fascinate me. और अभी मैं Paya Lebar पहुँच गई हूँ and from here I'll change to Circle Line. सिंगापुर में मैं मोस्टली पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट को प्रेफर करती हूँ विच इज़ वेरी वेरी कंफर्टेबल एज वेल एज वेरी लग्जूरियस बिकॉज आई एम एबल टू वॉक, जो कि मुझे बहुत पसंद है. एंड ऑल्सो यू आर एबल टू इंटरैक्ट एंड देयर इज नो चांस ऑफ गेटिंग लॉस्ट बिकॉज देयर डायरेक्शंस आर प्रॉपरली मार्क्ड एंड पीपल आर वेरी फ्रेंडली. So now I'm out of Bishan station walking towards junction 8N and from here I have to just take another 1 minute walk and I'll be in Bishan CC. It is very close and comfortable walk. And here you see that white building. Yes, that's CC. This is not even my 1 minute walk actually. Within a 1 minute I was here. It's very close. So from Bishan MRT, it's just a minute walk and I'm at Bishan Community Club. And beside that, I can see a board of Bishan Community Garden. So comment me down and let me know if you want me to cover that. And I will be happy to make a detailed video and provide you virtual view of this 3rd floor rooftop garden.
Wow, nice. Are you learning or you're just enjoying? Is it open for everyone? Oh, nice. Can you play something? Good.
So guys, let you all know,
Bye-bye.
in conjunction with Pongal and SG60, Bishan's AIEC team has decided to attempt a Singapore Book of Records feat.
And here is Vijaya Mohanji.
Hello.
Volunteers, I think. Okay, hello. Hi, Vijaya Mohanji.
Under the guidance of Vijaya Mohanji, the Bishan IAEC team came together on the 15th February to assemble this kolam, Rangoli.
That's Vijaya Mohanji, Guinness Book record holder, and today making a huge rangoli with the sugar cane, right? Your sugar cane, right? Or not?
Waiting. That's why I'm just doing with other things.
Okay.
साबुदाना है, उसमें थोड़ा करेंगे. Then I will start.
Okay. So I think Vijay ji, आपने आटे के साथ, with the
Rice powder. I'm
rice
doing the
powder.
outline.
Okay, just making the outline because इनके दिमाग में जो idea होता है ना, she first make it actually because it's a huge rangoli, it's not a small rangoli, and you can see all the volunteers.
Hello.
Since morning they are waiting. I think how long? You're waiting? 2 hours they are waiting, but I think they have done half of the job because if the outline is done, then it is like easily. Maybe I'll also help you. One volunteer is also here. So I'm going to make a YouTuber. You all are going to be featured in my video. Nice. So this is preparation for that only.
Sabudana and everything. I think she'll be free after that.
What's your name?
My name is Nitya.
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 Hi Nitya.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, you were saying something?
Okay, so first Auntie draws the outline with the rice flour, and then today's main ingredient of the rangoli is sugar cane.
Sugar cane,
Yeah, because it's a Pongal event and we have a Pongal celebration here tomorrow. So we're going to cut the sugar cane according to the size, fill the sugar cane
Inside.
And then, inside. And after that, between the designs, we are going to fill it with sabudana. So these are the colorful sabudana. So we are going to fill all these sabudana.
So we have it here, guys. You can see we have all colorful shabudana, then rice flour, chawal ka atta. There's quite a lot of shabudana, colored one. So you have colored this with all yourself, or it was ready made?
No, these are colored ones. Auntie buys the fresh sabudana and then colors, dries, and then she stores it.
She does it by herself.
Right.
Then I have to ask her. So Gautami, you have already participated? Phil?
First time volunteer with the Rangoli.
Oh, lovely.
Thank you.
Good, Gayatri. You can see the design. It's a very huge one. So, Vijay ji, they were saying Shabudana, you yourself color it and all that. So, how you do it at your home?
Yeah, in my house I take a tray and then put the sabudana about 5 or 6 kilo. Put little salt, put little oil.
Okay.
Then mix with the paint.
What colors you use?
Poster colors.
So, you use it oil, salt and poster colors.
If you put salt, it will not get spoiled for a long time.
Yes. वो कीड़े से बचाने के लिए I store it properly. So ये पूरा colors विजय जी ने किया है. Yes, of course. So see, they have already started filling.
Hi, I'm Selvi.
Hi Selvi. Selvi already started filling this Shabudana. I think I'll also help.
Vijaya Mohanji and her team started putting these tapioca
name?
seeds, which is called Shabudana,
Hi Sudha. Okay, doing very well already.
colorful tapioca seeds, and I also tried my hands on.
So they are filling the Shabudana.
Driver, logistic provider.
So you are the inspiration
type
behind
sector.
this
Inspiration.
Guinness. No. She's a.
Only desperation.
Yes.
I am waiting for her to quit this thing.
Now meeting with you, I can understand why she is so lively. Huh? I love your energy. Thank you. What's your name?
Mohan.
Mr. Mohan. Okay. Mr. Mohan is Vijayaji's better half. And
One minute. Yeah. Hello, hi.
So she'll interview you.
hello, sir.
Huh?
Mr. Kunal.
Okay, basically, we want to know what we are
Yes,
doing this.
please, yeah.
Because we want to do a book of records, which is always in my mind. And also something that is always very different that nobody has done it. And I think sugarcane is I think the first one we ever tried in Singapore. And I think we thank Vijay Mohan who actually came with the concept. And most of us are very enthusiastic because this is something unique for us.
Yes.
And
And very relevant to Pongal, right?
yes, right.
Yes.
And also, whatever we use it, and end of the day, we're not going to go to waste. We're also giving it to the needies, whoever can use this
Prasadam as a prasadam. Oh, lovely. Yes. So that thing will be waste, guys. It's a sustainable kind of a way because sugarcane they will cut, and I think it's the best way to introduce our favorite fruit. You know, ganna is my favorite fruit. Sugarcane is my favorite fruit.
So I think that there's sustainability is also there.
Yes.
So I think that will be something that we are looking at, and I think we kill two birds in one stone. I
Oh
think
yes,
that's it.
yes. Very nice concept, and thanks for bringing it. Manifesting it here.
Happy Pongal.
Happy Pongal.
Well, I must mention, Vijaya ji also have awarded with the Peace Ambassador in UNESCO Body and Mental Wellness Club. I really admire her. She is such vibrant and inspiring personality. I'm trying my hands making rangoli and wow, it's so therapeutic.
Maybe I'll take a video of you trying it.
Show us. Yeah, please. So doing art is actually very therapeutic, and making rangoli with the patterns, with beautiful colors, adds to that therapy.
Just for those who don't know, these Sabudana balls are also known as tapioca balls.
Manifesting this first time with the sugarcane, you gave this idea. So Vijay ji, how much logistic for this?
I have ordered around 200 full sugar cane. I'm going to cut according to the size of the rangoli, and then people are going to fill it up.
Okay.
Then after that, I have ordered some flowers for around $200 to $300.
Okay.
So which is going to be like, because whenever first time it is happening in the world, whenever we do 80% of the material should be
Sustainable. Okay. Because it's a sustainable. They said that tomorrow this is going to be given away as a prasadam also.
prasadam to all the migrant workers. They are
Oh,
going to come and take.
lovely. Okay.
Yeah, because nowadays I do things so that it should not get
Wasted.
spoiled or reused. It can be reused.
Very sustainable thought, because of course we decorate and then things are being thrown away. It's very
No need to throw away, yeah.
So we can use something very good. I think Vijay ji, you have come out with a very good innovative idea, and especially it is so relevant with the Pongal, right? Pongal is related with the sugar cane.
Nobody has done ever in the world.
So this
Rangoli
is going to be
with
first
sugarcane.
time.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm so lucky to covering this. Okay, good.
Now here again I want to take a moment and share with everyone who's watching that Vijaya ji also have a membership in International Flower Carpet Association.
So tomorrow, any activity happening which you are aware of?
There is a Pongal competition, Pongal making competition,
Okay.
and kids also have their own for kids activities they have.
Okay.
And we, along with the seniors, Chinese and Malay seniors, we will be doing a Indian traditional dance.
Wow, that's I'm looking forward. I think Vijaya ji is leading that.
Yeah, she is doing that around between 10:45 to 11 a.m. it will be
Okay.
tomorrow. Yeah. So then color competition, a lot other.
So Pongal
activities they have.
competition means what? What they are going
The
to do?
public they can come and do Pongal.
Doing Pongal means what?
They are going to cook. They are going to they are going to.
So you're
cook
going
Pongal.
to provide cooking stations
Yes,
here?
everything. They are going to have 5 cooking stations.
Okay.
In that, they are going to make the public make pongal, and then they will taste, and it's a competition.
Competition whose
The
Pongal
winner
is the
will-
best kind of.
Yes.
Okay. And all other communities, other races also joining.
They
in.
will.
That's very nice. Guys, these are the chullas. They are going to cook in these pots. Pongal जो है इसमें बनेगी. इसमें कोयला है, and इस कोयले से ये पोंगल बनेगी. इस मटके मिट्टी के मटकों में इस तरह से रखकर they will cook पोंगल. Wow. I think it's going to be very interesting. मटका फोड़ना ये भी होगा?
मटका फोड़ना भी होगा.
अरे
और,
वाह. वो कहाँ होगा?
लाइव बड़ा स्टेशन भी रहेगा.
मटका फोड़ने के लिए तो यू हैव टू लाइक क्लाइम अप.
टाइम नहीं है, ये रस्सी में मटका बांध देंगे.
Okay.
उसका अंदर पैसा होएगा.
हाँ.
ये एकदम से मारो.
अच्छा, निशाना मार के.
पट्टी बांध लेंगे.
ओके
देन उसको मारने का है.
ये
तो
सब
है-
कब होगा विजय जी? आई डोंट वांट टू मिस दैट. तो कितने बजे होगा ये?
12 या 1 बजे तक.
सो 10 बजे शुरू हो जाएगा मतलब. हाँ, नो डिले आज की तरह. ओके ओके, देन आई हैव टू बी हियर 10 o'clock. ओके गुड, ये आपने अच्छा बताया. लीडिंग डांसिंग ग्रुप आल्सो.
Tomorrow, yeah.
वाओ, दैट्स
all,
रियली गुड.
senior citizens and ladies
ओके,
because
I can help and join you. Okay, I can
Yes.
volunteer.
definitely no
Yes.
problem, because normally I tell them relax, no need practice anything.
Yeah.
You just follow me on
Follow
the
the
stage,
fun, yes.
enjoy and dance. That
Yes.
is the main thing.
Yeah, that should be the.
So,
That,
it is the song is relevant to Pongal.
okay. Is it going to be Hindi or Tamil song? Okay.
Tamil song. They are all going to wear sari.
Uh-huh.
4 Chinese, 4 Malay, then rest are Indians.
Oh, very nice.
Well,
Looking
I'm so
forward for
proud to announce that Vijay ji also have honored with Meritorious Honor Award, Golden Award for getting 50 Singaporean Book of Records.
that. How many people are you expecting tomorrow?
Tomorrow we are expecting about 300 people to come over to join our Pongal program. Over here today we are going to have about 20 of our volunteers later from about 2 to 6
Okay.
to come and help out to put the sugar canes together.
Okay.
Yeah. So tomorrow we are expecting about 300 people to come over.
Oh wow.
Take a look.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, that's the beautiful team of people making rangoli for the Pongal. Vishan CC. Volunteers standing here and they'll be finishing this rangoli. Look at the smiles on their face. And this is going to be a record breaking rangoli, yeah? Looking forward for that. Happy Pongal!
Well, I had to head out because of some meeting, but I think I'm leaving all these happy volunteers for finishing their job. See you tomorrow.
So आज डे 2 है और मैं जा रही हूँ पोंगल सेलिब्रेशन के लिए. आज एक्चुअल सेलिब्रेशन है, बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है. और मुझे विजय जी ने स्पेशली बोला था कि हेमा थोड़ा सा ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेसअप जो तमिल ड्रेस होता है वो चेक वाली साड़ी होती है. तो मैंने बड़ी क्लोज फ्रेंड्स चित्रा जी से ये साड़ी मंगवाई थी, बहुत प्यारी लगी थी. आई वांटेड टू वेयर सी, इट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग मी सो मच. दिस इज अगेन अ चेक साड़ी. सो लेट्स सी मैं इन दोनों में से क्या पहनती हूँ, बट इन दोनों में से आई एम गोइंग टू डिसाइड ये बिना फॉल की या फिर ये वाली. लेट्स सी. हाय wait, come on, let's go. Hi guys, so this is day 2. मैंने finally decide किया ये वाला. And look at my little princess looking so pretty in this langa choli. Comfortable langa choli. And you have to see deep stress. Okay. Yes. So guys, so मैंने decide किया यही traditional तमिल साड़ी पहनूं चेक वाला. So which Vijay ji have suggested me. So I hope this is looking nice.
Let's go.
So guys, today is the second day as I told you. We are going for a Visan CC and आज है final Pongal day. And मैं अपनी little princess को पूरा वहाँ का Pongal celebration कैसे दिखाते हैं, because I think for Raina also and for Deep also and for me also to see कैसे celebrate करते हैं Pongal in a very traditional way. So Raina, you know what? You are looking so pretty. So आज हम बिल्कुल ready हैं Pongal celebration के लिए and I am wearing some. This is I think South Indian necklace. And this earring is from Himachal, but it's going very well with this. And my ring is also from north side, which is going very well. And this is my mother-in-law's special necklace, which is very close to my heart, जो मुझे हमेशा उनकी करीब रखता है. Oh, कहाँ पे? Really? हम अर्थ पे रह रहे हैं? Raina is telling me we are living inside the earth. Good information, Raina. Raina, मौसम कैसा है? बहुत अच्छा है ना आज? सुहाना मौसम है. अच्छा मौसम को कहते हैं सुहाना मौसम. क्या बोलते हैं? सुहाना मौसम. Flowers. Yellow flowers. Oh, thank you so much, Raina. This is matching with my.
like a Singapore. Oh, look at that. Very crowded. From here we are going to Bishan. So keep it here. Where we are going? Bishan. Okay? So when the lady will say Bishan station, so you have to say, Nani, let's go. Okay? It's your duty now. Naina's earrings. Pretty, pretty. Show me. Raina, what is the next station? And we are going for a party. So guys, we have reached Bishan station and यहाँ से we are going for a Bishan Sissy Hall party. Let's go. He's a very playful dog. I met Margarita. She got a very friendly dog, Nugget, and I think I'm going to feature you in that. Okay? So I'm going for a Pongal celebration here, and the Pongal celebration actually we made a vlog. So Margarita, you will be featured. Your bad dog will be featured here. Okay? Bye. Lovely meeting you. Rana, you want to drop some money?
Namaste. Beautiful Sunday. Thank you, sister. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. So guys, we are very close to the place, or I can see, you can see Raina, the function is already ready. Yes, function is already ready. I think it's going in a full swing. So हम यहाँ पहुँच गए हैं. I think some dancing things are also happening. मैं ज़रा विजय जी को हेलो कह के आती हूँ. Come. So they are giving a Thanksgiving to Vijaya Mohan ji. Okay. So the program is already started. You can see the dancers. Your performance is over or going to start? So we haven't missed the performance. The girls are going to dance. You all are looking very pretty.
He's the minister. He's the minister. He's the minister for this constituency, Bishan constituency.
So Bishan,
So Bishan
minister
Topayo
hai,
constituency.
he's giving a thanksgiving to everyone. And we have given a special thanks to Vijay ji. I've just noticed that. Okay, Vijay ji, please you say that. Oh, that's it. That's a traditional game which they are trying to play. Sir, your turn. Your turn. So he's a minister. He's trying this game. You come this side. Come this side. Okay. Wow. Look at the spirit. Mr. Changchuya, you are very, very active, I'll say.
Your young time nothing to play this. Young time play handphone.
So you know these are our traditional games. Traditional games. Very nice. Happiness with Hema. So that's the another game station here for the kids. It's a Samp CD, Raina. You know, you throw a number and then see how you can jump. You want to play this? See? So he got 6 number. So he's going to jump 6 times. See? So he's on 6 number here. Okay, come. Guys, this is interesting game. Samp CD. We used to be kid. We used to play this game. Here the painting things are. Raina, you want to do painting? Sit down. So Raina is sitting here for the painting. Go ahead.
pot. Raina, choose one pot. White one? This one? Then, oh, you can share here, Kala, with the auntie, okay? Can you guide her a little bit?
Well, at the art station, creativity flourished as people of all ages painted with joy, while even the minister admired the vibrant expressions of Pongal festivity.
Excuse me, so you are attending this Pongal first time here? Yes. How's the feel?
I love the bright color and the different culture of Singapore. I have friends of every nation here, so
Yes. So
that's
beautiful and
a
vibrant.
beautiful thing. Yes.
Hello.
You like to do it?
Lovely. I like your creation. Good. Hello. Which part of the country you are from?
Actually, we're Singaporean.
You're a Singaporean. Okay. So enjoying this? Huh?
Yes.
You are loving it? You are liking it? Very nice. I like it. The flower. Thank you. Wow. Hello. You're from India?
No, I'm from Indonesia.
Indonesia. So this. Oh, lovely. So this Pongal thing is new for you?
It's not really new. We know that this is a harvest. In fact, yesterday we made something very awesome there. Yes, the rangoli and the kolam. Yes.
Happy Pongal.
Wow, so sweet. Do you want to say happy Pongal?
Happy Pongal.
Okay. Hello. Looks like your kids are enjoying. Happy Pongal.
Happy Pongal. Happy Pongal.
Yeah, happy Pongal. ये हो रहा है मटकी फोड़ो.
My name is Vikram.
Vikram is, I think he's officiating this game. So Vikram, tell me about this game.
So this is called as Uri.
Okay.
So the Uri breaking competition where you have the pot. It creates bonding because you have another person telling you what kind of thing. It also creates teamwork. So
Wow.
3 chances.
So they are giving 3 chances, and if you are able to break it, do you have?
Okay.
Do they have some?
Give the chance to her.
Do they have some goodies inside?
Yes.
Oh,
Each person gets a voucher.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you hold this one?
Yeah.
So I'm taking my chances. Let's see. Okay. Where
Okay.
is the first study?
Okay. Yeah. Right side, towards the right. Yeah. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Go down a bit. Towards the right. Yes. Can you feel it now? Yeah. What?
Spots are but I think my 3 aims were on.
Yeah,
I
right.
enjoyed the game.
Yeah, here you go. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Vikram.
And now moving to another station, which is another traditional game of marbles. In Tamil, it is called Goli, and Kanche in Hindi, and then marble game in English. Mr. Minister is trying his hand. So this used to be indoor game played in a one small circle, hitting them and winning them over.
Can you tell me about this game?
Try to hit all the marbles out.
Marble game. So ये कंचेयों की गेम जो है बचपन से हम लोग बहुत खेलते थे. So we have to make a aim like that. You try. No, it's okay. No, you go. Okay, yeah, it's going. Oh, champion! You are a champion. You do one more time. Oh, very good. What's your name?
Magilan.
Magilan is a champion of this game. Happy Pongal.
Happy Pongal.
You are his father?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you played this game when you were a kid?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, even I have played. But we used to play something like, I show you.
Yeah, throw
We used to
throw
play
upwards and
like, we used to play like this. Like this. So I think this is different ways we used to play with the marbles when we were kids. Marble games. Do you know what we call marbles in Hindi? We call it kanche. Goli. Goli in Tamil, marbles in English, and Kanche in Hindi. Happy Pongal. Happy Pongal, girls. You are also going to play this game? Good luck. Wow, what is this? Wow. They have created like this. Yes. Yes. Okay. See, Raina, I am going to make it for you, okay? Come, let's sit down. Sit down here. Yeah. Which way? Like this. Cut like this. Corinne. Corinne, thank you. So Corinne is my teacher and she's showing me this is how I have to make a cuts.
So in South India, they hang this kind of a coconut leaf toran for all the festivals, where all the members are participating together, and it is the best creative time, productive time and bonding time for the whole family and relatives. How fascinating and beautiful our traditional arts are, isn't it?
I'll go and cover other things also. So I keep it for you? Yeah, you keep it for me. Hello, what is this game happening here? Huh?
This Chongka.
Chongka. Again another traditional game from Tamil. Happy Pongal.
Yeah, thank you.
Happy Pongal everyone. Happy Pongal. So they also have a ganna juice, sugarcane station here. This is also a traditional drink. Happy Pongal. Long queue for the ganna juice. Woo! Let's take a picture together. One here. Very nice. You're looking so smart. Thank you. Okay. After their dance, you know what? We all are going to dance. All the ladies are going to dance. And then we will go inside and see sugarcane decoration, rangoli.
And here we go. They played a Tamil number and a joyful celebration of inclusion through dance. Vijay Mohanji is leading this dance performance. And now let's move to this very interesting station where you can see the many harvest.
My name is Pritika.
Hi, Pritika. So is this your counter?
Yes, it's actually our mostly we are showing all the harvest from our 167A rooftop garden and our sky garden at Bishan CC.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we have a garden at third floor. Yeah. So these are made by our volunteers. So this is made by me, Chana and Vada, and we make kesari. Yeah, it's kesari. Yeah, it's a sweet. Yeah. So we made one sweet, two spicy. Then followed by we have some fruits and vegetables which we harvest from our garden. Yes, we have a garden at third floor at Bishan CC. Okay, it's under Sky Garden, Bishan CC Sky Garden. So another one is at block 167A. So that one too is under Bishan CC. So that's a community garden. So we plant, we harvest, we celebrate Pongal. So this year our Pongal totally we celebrate at home and in CC with our own harvest. Yeah, that's our Inji. Okay. Then the flowers all is from our garden.
These flowers, everything is from their garden.
Okay, it's from our garden.
Wow, that's amazing.
Flower, yes, okay.
About this?
Okay, this is passion fruit is from our garden.
Oh, wow. Grapes is also from their garden.
Yes. Okay, the vegetables. This is from our garden at 167 Sky Garden Bishan CC.
So this is also from their garden?
Yes. Okay. This is from our garden. Okay. And this is from our garden, the Abrakai.
Wow.
Yes. And the rest we bought it. And Manjal is from our garden.
Manjal is
haldi, yeah. Yeah, it's a fresh haldi. You can see the fresh haldi. You can carry the haldi, yes.
You can see this fresh haldi is also
Yeah.
from their garden.
Haldi and ginger is from our garden, yeah. Yeah.
So all these things are homemade, which I'm going to try.
So I'm having this
And now, coming up next is much awaited electrifying dance performance by dance team Sirpigal Dancers. Well, these dancers was incredible. Their dance was really setting the stage on fire with their grace and energy. Their energy was unstoppable. Every move is electrifying. Their rhythm pulses like a beating heart. The whole environment is charged with excitement as they blend tradition with passion, culture with charisma. Look at this. The entire crowd was charged up. Every clap, every cheer echoed the infectious energy of the moment, buzzing with excitement and thrill. Well, I must say, this is a true celebration of strength, spirit, and community bonding. Look at them, they are unstoppable, so elegant, so energized. Simply powerful performance. Watching them performing live was amazing and fantastic experience by everyone. After this amazing performance, group picture with Minister. Vijaya Mohanji's leading dance performance. Vijaya Mohanji, who's leading this dance, is the only person having maximum number of Singapore Book of Records in Singapore. She is indeed a woman of vision, a creator of history. She doesn't just make Rangoli, she makes history. She is inspirational to many. Well, with Vijaya Mohanji leading, the dance became more than just movement. It was a beautiful celebration of community, togetherness, and pure joy. Laughter, rhythm, and energy filled the air, spreading happiness and strengthening the bond that make festival like Pongal so special. This performance was harmony in diversity, especially dedicated to all senior citizens by senior citizens. So after the performance, we had a photo session with Minister. We gave all together 3 cheers saying Happy Pongal. And as in our culture, we greet everyone. So I've given everyone, all the dancers, going personally to them and giving a hug. It was so warm and so energizing. So after giving a warm hug to everyone, I decided to give a nice warm hug to Vijayaji also. And she is indeed an inspirational female. And now I'm heading to see and show you all her masterpiece very soon. So stay tuned for that. So here we go. This is beautiful creation by so many volunteers and birth of creative mind of Vijaya Mohanji. Vijaya Mohanji, who is winner of many such awards, and today one more feather on her cap. This Rangoli won Singapore Book of Records. So intricate, so beautiful, and so sustainable. All these sugar canes will be distributed to all the migrant workers as a prashadam. What a beautiful creative idea which is sustainable and eco-friendly. I am extremely proud of Vijay Mohanji, beautiful creation, and her innovative ideas and community's joint efforts.
These are all volunteers who did Dancing Girls. You all rock. Very nice energy. All looking so pretty. And I think I have also attended the Pongal first time, but this was amazing. Like, you know, and especially in Singapore, celebrating like this, and especially all you made it more special. Like dancing and decorating, like, you know, you all are looking like a divas, superstars. Next, you are going to do Bollywood. Straight away go to the Bollywood and okay, she's here to support the disabled, and we do have a all are okay. These are all dialysis patients, but look at from NKF, and look at the energy. Clap for all of us. And clap for Vijay ji. This is, you know, are you aware of? This is going to be in a Singapore Book of Record. First time also. See, this is a certification. Largest Rangoli made on sugarcane. Singapore Book of Record. You want to talk something about it?
And there were a lot of volunteers, enthusiastic volunteers from all the everyone.
Not only from Bishan,
Yeah,
but all
that's
over
it.
the
Yes, yeah. Even Chinese, Malay, Indian, every community, they all came together. It was
That's the
a
beauty
great
of like
experience.
Singapore. We bring our culture, we bring everyone and we include everyone.
So with their help, within 2.5 hours, we finished this.
Oh, 2.5 hours.
Yeah, we finished this. It was really great experience. Because as we do, we got more ideas and we put the knots.
Yeah, you have put the So this is kind of a sustainable venture actually, because you know nothing is going to go waste in this. All the sugar canes are going to be distributed to the workers.
Yes, that's
I will
right.
also get to take one.
Yeah, you can also take one.
Yes, so we can. So this is a sustainable rangoli.
Bhaskar.
Okay, Mr. Bhaskar, can you tell me about something about this sugarcane tea
Sugarcane is where normally
related with Pongal?
Pongal, normally it is the harvesting. Normally we used to eat during the prosperous.
And is this the same which we have distributed, like which we have made a rangoli out of it? Or the
Yeah, same.
It's the same.
Yeah, same.
Which took long time to cross the border.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
And guys, there it is a Pongal making competition going on. I will take you there in a short while. After taking this ganne ka juice, we will go to the Pongal.
Did you know sugarcane is not just a refreshing drink? It is packed with natural electrolytes, making it a fantastic hydration booster, rich in antioxidant, iron, calcium, and magnesium. It helps in digestion, detoxification, and even glowing skin. So every sip is not just a sweet, it's a sip of health.
So guys, यहाँ पे हो रहा है Pongal making competition. You are making this one? Hello auntie. So you made this one?
Yes.
Can I taste your Pongal?
Sure.
I would like to taste. So, hi Divya, happy Pongal. Happy Pongal to you. I wonder, I'm sure your mummy is expert in that.
Yeah.
So don't worry who is winner or not. I am sure everyone is a winner who's participating in this. Okay. It's smelling so good, auntie. It's already smelling very nice.
Thank you.
Happy Pongal. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Yuva.
Where is your wife? Hello, auntie. You made this one?
Yeah, I made it.
Wow! At the Pongal making station, tradition comes alive as families gathered around bubbling pots, cooking with love, laughter, and festive spirit.
My name is Florence.
Florence, you're looking very pretty.
Thank you so much. And you so look pretty. We are look the same with this sari.
Happy Pongal to you. Thank you. I'll say this. And from my side, all are winners. You know? You made this one? Yeah. You made it?
The air is filled with sweet aroma of tradition as Pongal simmers in clay pots, bringing people together in festive celebration of harvest and harmony.
Pongal from Sushi. Happy Pongal. husband was about to take all the credit, but then he was a very sensible man. He said, my wife made it.
He helped me with the fire.
What's your name?
My name is Vijaya.
Hi Vijaya, you're looking very pretty.
Thank you.
And I like your earrings. Thank you. And I'm sure your pongal is...
Everybody's pongal was so delicious, so yummy. I can't wait to taste every pongal made of authentic hands. And this is Rangoli.
Tell me, what is this?
Rangoli.
Made of what? Is it made of chini? Made of rice? Made of what?
With every bubbling pot of pongal, the spirit of harvest festival shines. Warm rice and made with joy, just like the traditions passed down through generations.
So Vijaya, can you tell me, pongals normally made of a same recipe?
Yes, usually the same recipe. There will be maybe 1 or 2 ingredients that may differ depending on how your family makes it.
Okay.
Like for example, the usual suspects are water, milk, your rice. Pasi parupu is like a split green bean dal, you know.
Okay.
So and your sugar. So what type of sugar you use? It can be vellam, which is like palm sugar. In my family, we also add in kalkande. It's like a sweet rock sugar. I'm not sure how to say. It's the type where you get in like weddings and all that.
Mishri? It's a white color or a...
Yeah. You know, wedding they will put it with dates. That one.
So
Yeah.
that's a mishri called. Yeah. And that's considered to be very healthy sugar. They say it's a
and
very
also
healthy
the
form.
palm sugar also
Palm
is
sugar is also very healthy.
vellam they call it.
Yeah.
So it comes so usually there, then a bit of salt and cashew and raisins and ghee, of course, definitely the ghee. Yeah, so in some families they use white sugar, brown sugar, even the orange sugar.
In your one, you have put what?
I have put the raw palm sugar, vellam. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy it.
गन्ने का juice. Cheers. Let's do cheers. गुदू गुदू करना पड़ेगा, मुझे गुदू गुदू करना पड़ेगा इसका हंसाने के लिए बच्चों को. Yummy है. So this one is a different, which has a little kesar in it. Guys, this is out of the world. I cannot tell you how tasty it is. Really, they are experts who are making out there. They are actually experts. I cannot tell you. It's like melting in my mouth and it's so tasty. It's giving me the feel of that I am in a Kerala somewhere eating their traditional pongal. Raina, want to have a taste? बहुत yummy है. Miss करोगे? जो लेना. है ना? Yummy, yummy. मैं सारा खत्म कर रही हूँ फिर. एक बाइट और ले लो. We have called dinner, ठीक है?
You also, okay.
Yeah.
Nice to see you.
So, Happy Pongal.
Happy Pongal to you.
Kind of.
Subscribe, like, and share.
Which channel?
Happiness with Hema.
Been distributed here for the Pongal festival, and I think overall the arrangements are very nice.
Casuarina curry. Casuarina curry.
Casuarina curry, they have sponsored this for this one.
We have.
Okay, you got it from
Yeah,
here.
we got it.
And it is all packed lunch. It's all vegetarian packed
Vegetarian.
lunch. Guys, this is the artist Vijaya ji, Vijaya Mohan ji, and she is already a Guinness Book record holder and
My 53rd record.
53rd record, and this is going to be, as I already informed you, showing the certificate. This is going to be in a Singapore Books of Record. And look at the sustainable rangoli she have made it. So Vijay ji, tell me, what is your inspiration to come out with so beautiful ideas?
Actually, the design and the material should be relevant to the Pongal, and it should be used after the creation also. That is why I chose the material as sugarcane, so that it can be distributed to the migrant workers later.
Very thoughtful idea, because I think we need to be sustainable. You know, this is our bit to the global warming and the world. Anything else you want to share?
Because I feel very happy and very joyful, because whenever somebody asks me they want to do a record, I have to think of a new material. I don't want to repeat, and it should be sustainable and it should be relevant to the occasion. So I cannot sleep for days and months, so that I have to think of new innovative way. And every design I have created is new. I have not done this design before like that.
And this is looking beautiful and very vibrant, and I heard like yesterday, because I was here for a short while, many people came in. Sugarcane came 3
around
o'clock.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock, but all the
We finish around 6 o'clock.
oh,
Very fast.
just in 2 hours. Yeah, that's
because I gave them the idea and gave them where to place what, and everybody was in a very hands-on and they helped a lot.
Beautiful. And this is the overall setup is looking very nice.
This is the first time in the world. Nobody ever has done with sugarcane.
Wow, cheers for that. And I like your energy while dancing also, huh? You are like full on fire.
Every
Pushpa full on fire.
Every Tuesday and Thursday I teach these kind of dance to these kind of seniors.
Okay.
And Friday also.
Wow.
So I want to give them an exposure also, so that they feel joy. They
They all were
happy
smiling.
when they wear the
Yes,
sari, everything. That's why.
Yes. Beautiful. I think you are doing a very beautiful job, which is worth praising. I don't have a words to praise for that. Beautiful. I think what I can feel with is like whatever you're doing is from your heart.
Yeah.
And it is reflecting that. It is beautiful, Vijayaji. Glad that I know you. Okay.
Thank you.
Next up, it was time for some fun and excitement as the pot balancing dance was kicking off. The pot balancing dance turned into lively, crowded, engaging competition with participants of all ages joining in the fun. Each person balanced the pot on their head, moving with grace and rhythm. With the pot carefully balanced on my head, I joined in the lively rhythm dancing through the crowd. Feeling the energy and joy of entire celebration, it was playful and thrilling experience, bringing everyone together in a joyous burst of moments. Well, I honestly confess this was an extremely engaging activity where dancers were busy balancing and dancing with the rhythm while the audience cheering them on.
So she says she's gonna do a vlog with Happiness with Hema, and you guys are gonna be featured there. Put your round of applause. You guys are stars in the vlog.
The pot balance dance brought locals, foreigners, and visitors together in a joyful celebration of skill, balance, and community spirit. The air was filled with laughter, excitement, and spirit of togetherness as everyone danced, creating unforgettable memories.
First time participating in a Pongal?
Yes, I think so. I think I've missed it the previous years.
So you better not miss next time.
I hope so.
And next time the good news will be out, right?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. Good spirit there, and I hope you are having fun. Did you tasted everything?
I think so.
Sugarcane and
Yes.
pongal.
We tried the pongal. It was very,
Very yummy, yeah, very
It was
delicious.
like kesari, I think it's called.
Kesari, yeah. Kesari and the vada and the chickpeas.
Vada, I mean lots of vada.
Okay. Okay, happy Pongal.
And now, time to enjoy a delicious bento set filled with festive flavor. Paneer, sambar, curd, rice, and a sweet treat to complete this perfect Pongal meal. Every bite is a celebration of tradition, warmth, the rich flavors of Pongal.
So guys, the program is almost finished. Everybody had a beautiful activities here. Sare cultural activities the, that statue, then that Samp Sidi, Kanche wala game, Matka Fodi. Then this one how to play. So guys, program come to an end. ये इतना beautiful, ये सब भी सीखा. I think it was a beautiful experience. बहुत मजा आया. और I think next Pongal also I would love to come and join this fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. कितना मजा आया?
बहुत Subscribe the channel Happiness with Hema. Like, share, subscribe.
Happiness with Hema. Happiness with Hema.
So guys, like, share, subscribe my channel Happiness with Hema and stay tuned for another interesting vlog.
Okay, thank you very much.
आई होप आपको सिंगापुर का ये पोंगल सेलिब्रेशन पसंद आया होगा. स्टे ट्यून फॉर मेनी मोर व्लॉग्स टू कम. Ending this celebration with heart full of joy and smile. May the spirit of Pongal bring happiness, togetherness and endless festives to all of you. Somebody new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel right away so that you can see different colors of Singapore.